humidity near 100%. Tuesday, partly sunny. Areas of dense fog before 10 a.m. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, West Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern York County in South Central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. State College has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, West Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern York County in South Central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., Doppler radar.
Now, get ready.
Happening in small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other passes, as well as other fords.
The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Dauphin County in
Whitetown,
The radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are
Lewisburg and Wellsville.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Beware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. A flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, and York. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Cumberland, Dauphin, and Dauphin counties, including the city of Harrisburg.
New Cumberland,
Hours and hours of thunderstorms permitted
and Oberlin.
fog between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. Areas of dense fog after 4 a.m. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty rainfall before 6 p.m. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty rain with heavy rainfall between 6 p.m. and 10
Securing vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, and York.
We're back. That was accidental. Now? Okay, wait, hold on. Three,